It's another day. We stopped, well, we're still in the same area to where you seen on the last video, the casinos and the car and all that. But anyway, we was going to camp. It's pretty windy today, so I'm gonna try to keep this camera out of the wind the best I can. We was going right there's the casino where we seen the death car and all that stuff we showed you. We was going to park right there in the parking lot. Then we got to looking, or she actually noticed it. If you look right there, you won't be able to see what it says, but right there's a big sign. Turns out right behind the casino is BLM land, which is crazy because nobody's out here. We got it all to ourselves. But the point of all that is, we're camping out here in BLM land. So we're just gonna burn a day right here. I had to do a bunch of repairs to the camper. It's really windy today. You see our flag. You see the wind's like really blowing today. It's not good. One reason it's not good, the wind's blowing at me. We gotta go that way. So that just make us burn more gas. So we're just gonna hang out here today. It's supposed to be better tomorrow. So I've been doing repairs to the old camper. She's getting a little rough. We hit something. This camper has rock guards there at the bottom there and there. Sometime in the past few days we ran over something that threw it up and put a huge hole. It just destroyed that one, which that's new. I replaced it, but the old one just destroyed it. So we had some scrap wood in the van. I just cut a new piece, replace that side and that side. Tomorrow I'll get some that rhino lining put on there to make it a little bit more sturdier and look better, seal that wood. So yeah, I have to wait tomorrow to do that. But other than that, I've been doing repairs to the old camper. If you live in an RV or a travel trailer or something, you know how it is. They just fall apart on you. You gotta work on them all the time. I kind of got lazy and let my little to-do list get pretty long on me, so I knocked it out today. Well, other than that, we're just gonna be lazy. But one thing else I want to show you, right there, all that, the camera ain't even gonna focus on it. It's really bright, but all that right there is a solar field. It's all solar panels, and over to the left, same thing. Just probably, it don't seem like it from here, but it's probably, I'm just guessing real quick, probably 10 acres or more of solar panels than the same amount over here. But all that white looking area, you know, all that white looking area, that's all solar panels. And I don't know what that thing is. There's one on each side. It's like a tower. It has some kind of mirror thing on it. I'm assuming, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm assuming it kind of like finds the best angle of the sun, and then all the panels, you know, tells the panels to move a certain way. I don't know. That's just my guess. But anyhow, if you're heading into Nevada out of California, when you get to a town called Primm, P-R-I-M-M, which is this town and on, be exit 1. Get off. Yeah, I mean, if you need a place to stay, get off. You need to stay at the 4 or 5 casinos here. You need to stay there, or you can turn behind Whiskey Pete's, turn their parking lot, come to the parking garage, which is right there. You'll see a gravel road. That's all. It could bring you right here, all BLM land. As you can see, we're the only ones out here. There's nobody out here. Last night there was a car that came through. And this morning one of them side-by-sides, the ATVs come through. But other than that, there's been nobody out here. Just us. And it goes, the sand's pretty soft. I don't feel comfortable getting out on it because we just got a van, you know, pulling that travel trailer. We don't have full drive or nothing. So I didn't feel comfortable getting on this. But if you're brave, you can park all out here. Or you can take this road. It goes way up there. Comes along the edge of the mountain, then shoots up in that valley. Try to show it to you here, but that road, see that white line? You can go way over, I mean miles, all the way up to the next little mountain. Plenty of camping out here. But yeah, I'm gonna pause it. We're just gonna hang out here today, be lazy, and tomorrow we'll start the adventure again. We'll be back. Good morning. Oh, there I am. There she is there. It's the start of a new day. We left the BLM land we was camped at. She found it a roadside attraction. We're gonna go check it out. you want to tell me what it is? I'll tell them. Magic, what's it? Magic Rocks?
Magic Rocks.
Seven
Magic Mountain. 7 Mountain.
Okay, we're gonna show it to you. 7 Magic Mountains. What is 7 Magic Mountains? Art, Production Fund, and Nevada Museum of Art presents 7 Magic Mountains, a large-scale, site-specific public artwork by artists. Cannot pronounce that, but you're more than welcome to try yourself. The installation opened, oh, it's pretty new, in May 2016. But I'll try to get this. I'm not gonna read it all. You can pause it and read it if you want. And I'm gonna get you some of this here so you can pause it and read it if you want. Because me personally, I don't want to read that much. Okay. It's way out there, and that's where we're gonna go. So, it's just it's kind of like Cadillac Ranch. It's a bunch of rocks stacked up and painted. But it's still pretty neat. It is, it is. Huh. And there's 7 towers. If that's what you want to call it. Alrighty then.
Renowned Swiss artist Ugo Rondinoni's colorful, large-scale public artwork, 7 Magic Mountains, is a 2-year exhibition located in the desert outside of Las Vegas, Nevada. It features 7 30 to 35-foot high day-glow totems comprised of painted locally sourced boulders. Visible across the desert landscape along Interstate 15, 7 Magic Mountains offers a creative critique of the simulacra of destinations such as Las Vegas. According to Rondinoni, the location is physically and symbolically midway between the natural and the artificial. The natural is expressed by the mountain ranges, desert, and Jean Dry Lake backdrop, and the artificial is expressed by the highway and the constant flow of traffic between Las Vegas and Los Angeles. Ugo Rondinoni's 7 Magic Mountains consists of 33 boulders weighing from 10 to 25 tons each, stacked into 7 towers. They form totemic figures 30 to 35 feet tall, and they are meant to evoke contrast and continuity from nature to culture and their bright colors, which are typical of Rondinoni's sculptures. 7 Magic Mountains is a short distance from Jean Dry Lake, where artists Michael Heiser and Jean Tingley created legendary land artworks in the 1960s.
So we stopped here in Vegas to do laundry. I'm just sitting here watching the airplanes fly over. Pretty neat. I enjoy watching airplanes. It's always, trains and airplanes has always been a, I don't know, I wouldn't say a passion, but something I really enjoy seeing. And we're by a major airport, so it's pretty neat. Anywho, we're in a shopping center. We're technically not downtown Vegas. We're on the skirts of it, the outer edge. But we're gonna go find some camping out. Sorry about that. I hit the button, turn the camera off. But anyway, we're gonna go find some camping land in a park called Red Rock Canyon. It's supposed to be I don't think it's a national park. It may be. I'll check on that. But anyway, when we get there, I'll show it to you.